This video demonstrates how whole room dimming helps hotels reduce electricity cost and maintenance cost. First, the test uses a dimmable light, a dimming switch, and a power meter. At full brightness, the lamp consumes the highest amount of power. When the brightness is adjusted down, the power meter shows a clear reduction. At 50% brightness, the lamp uses much less power than at 100%. At a lower brightness level, the measured power becomes even smaller. This proves that dimming is not only for atmosphere. It also directly reduces energy consumption. For one lamp the saving may look limited, but a hotel guest room has many lighting circuits. When the calculation includes 1 room, 1 year, and 5 years, the difference becomes very obvious. The video shows a comparison table for full brightness, 50% brightness, and 15% brightness. The table calculates hourly power, daily electricity cost, and annual electricity cost. Based on the example, one room can save a meaningful amount of electricity cost every year. Over 5 years, the accumulated saving becomes even larger for each guest room. This is why dimming is valuable for hotel operators, especially when the hotel has many rooms. The video then explains how to save cost on dimmable power supplies. If every lamp uses one separate dimming driver, the project hardware cost will be higher. For suitable lamp groups, multiple lamps can be connected to one correctly sized dimming power supply. This reduces the number of drivers and lowers the initial project cost. The design still needs to follow electrical capacity and safety requirements. The goal is to reduce repeated hardware while keeping stable dimming performance. In normal guest room use, scene modes do not need every light at 100% brightness. For example, welcome mode, night mode, and sleep mode can use lower brightness settings. Lower brightness saves electricity and also gives the guest a more comfortable room atmosphere. Long-term low brightness operation can reduce heat from the lamps. This helps extend lamp lifetime and lowers maintenance frequency. The hotel can save money from electricity, dimming driver selection, and lamp replacement. That is the complete cost-saving logic of a professional whole room dimming solution. For hotel projects, dimming should be planned together with the rookie, wall panels, lamps, and drivers.